If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. We are really excited to be here because we're gonna blow your mind with this recipe. What are we making for people?
We're making chicken dip.
Chips and dip. We are making chips and dip. And the chips are one ingredient. Everything is so easy that Kai's gonna make it for you, okay? And what we're using is we're featuring Primal Kitchen mayo. And the reason why, I know that I sound like a billboard, but you know what, Kai? 60% of the oils and the fats that people are eating are harmful vegetable oils. And those harmful vegetable oils are hurting us with heart disease, with all sorts of things. And that's why I love Primal Kitchen, because I use healthy oils. And that's another thing too, chips always have unhealthy oils too. He asked me, he's like, are potatoes really bad? I was like, well, with chips, it's more about the vegetable oils that they're frying them in that's changing our cells, causing us to be sick and tired, and nobody wants to be sick and tired, right, Kai? Well, so let's get to the recipe.
I can do this all by myself.
You can do this all by yourself, Kai. You show them how to do it. So now we have just sliced deli turkey or deli chicken. You could use either one, and you want to put a piece of parchment on a baking sheet or a couple baking sheets. We had 3 baking sheets going earlier, but we already made our chips. And you're going to turn your oven on to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to basically dehydrate these for anywhere from 5 to 7 hours or until they're crispy like a chip. If your oven does not go down, keep going, bud. Oh, it's all filled. If your oven doesn't go down to 150, you can do 170. I had a recipe tester. Her oven didn't go down to 150, so she used 170, and then it only took 3 hours. Watch them closely so they're not burning. But you'll end up with a darker chip instead of a lighter chip. You know how you get those burnt chips in the bag? You don't know that because you've never had chips, right? But you get like a bitter tasting chip. These might just be a little bit more bitter. They're still good. And I've used ham, and you get ham chips like this. But once you have them in a single layer, you put this into the oven. And then we'll get to our, here, let's move over. You're gonna trip mommy. Let's move over here and make our dip. So Kai, we have 1 cup of sour cream.
And some mayo.
And mayo. We have a ½ a cup of our Primal Kitchen mayo. And Kai, you put that right on in there. All right. And with that, we're gonna add dehydrated onion flakes. We're gonna put that on in there. The exact amounts will be on mariamindbodyhealth.com, where you can find the recipe as well as a coupon code to get 20% off Primal Kitchen. You're going to use dehydrated dried dill weed and parsley, dried parsley. And you want to use garlic powder and salt. I don't have garlic powder here, but I do have Redmond real salt, garlic salt. So I'm going to add that to the mixture, and then Kai's going to stir that on up. Kai, you've been making this all by yourself. You like this recipe, don't you, bud?
Yeah.
It's really, really good. And we're at the Keto Condo, which you can stay here. And when you do stay here, you get Primal Kitchen in a gift basket and Redmond real salt in a gift basket when you stay here, as well as all of my other favorite keto products. And you get to use my book, so you can chill on the beach. We're gonna play some games on the deck right here. Look over the beach.
Yeah.
Aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to. So Kai, you wanna try your creation?
Wait, 1 minute.
Oh, it's not stirred up enough.
Yeah.
But I have to tell you, when I was a little girl, I would get off the school bus to my best friend's house, Marla, and we would eat a full bag of potato chips with French onion dip almost every day after school. No, that wasn't healthy. But this would be a healthy option for your after school snack, kids. Try it out. Tell us what you think.
That's delicious.
That's delicious, my friends. Cook with your kids, teach them how to cook, and teach them how to eat well. Mahalo.
We're mixing.
We're mixing, mixing. If you want to change your life like I've changed mine with food, I would be honored to help you. Many of you don't know that I was twice my size. I had acid reflux. I had PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome. I had depression. I had IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome. And food changed my life. And not only did that happen, I get to eat good food, right? Good food. So if you want to eat good food, have perfected meal plans made by me and personal help with supplements or modifications if you have Hashimoto's, if you have Graves, if you have IBS, if you have PCOS, contact me. I would be honored to help you. You can go to keto-adapted.com and find a lot of different options there for personalized help, or message me by commenting below on this YouTube video, or you can check me out at mariamindbodyhealth.com. Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.